In this video, I'm going to show you how we use the 1-inch sasher to make a regular size sashing to go on a quilt like we have here. We've got a 1-inch wide sashing. Every one of these sasher tools has a measurement written on the top. That is the fabric size when it's folded and put into the tool. So you're always going to cut your fabric double the measurement that appears on the tool. So I have a 2-inch wide strip cut here on the ironing mat. I'm going to fold it in and in on each side so it meets into the middle. So just roughly get that meeting in the middle. Use your regular big iron, or I'm using the little mini iron today. Just press the first little bit and then pick this up, with the raw edge facing up to you, hold the sasher. There's no right or wrong way to use it. You put your fabric in, go over that centre bar and come back down. Then we pin into the ironing board. Now I pin into the ironing board with the double fork pin. I just find this is the best pin to use. I've always thought that one pin would be enough, or 2 single pins. But when I started to press, I'd find that the fabric would stretch one side more than the other. So using the double fork pin, it puts equal tension on both sides of that strip. Then all we do is pull the sides up with your fingers, fold it in and put a little bit of tension onto the fabric. Put the iron in against the curve and you just push with the iron. And that will fold your fabric for you, and you just keep working down the ironing board till you get the whole strip done. But it is advisable to iron about 12 inches, stop and reposition your pin. So reposition the pin and then get working down. Bury the pin so the iron doesn't get caught on the top of it. Put the iron against it, hold with your fingers and just move on down. And each time you use the tool, you'll find it gets easier and easier. Just run the iron back across your strip a couple of times, because as you get more practice with using these, you'll find you'll end up pushing this very fast, which means you're not getting enough heat into the fabric to keep the fold in position for you. So have fun, experiment with all the different sizes and get creative with your sashings. Bye for now. Join us next time in the quilt room.